guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. Today I am going to be showing you how to make a few different styles of sock face mask. Now the first two pairs of socks came from Walmart. They're a low-cut sock, no boundaries brand, and they're $1.25 each. So they make a nice size face mask for a lady. The next two pairs are from Dollar Tree, and the hot pink one with a little puppy dog on it, it really makes a nice size face mask for a child. And then the sock on the far right makes a nice size one for an adult. This sock doesn't stretch quite as much, so that's why I said it would make a good one for a child. So you're going to just take and spread out your sock flat, and you're just going to cut off, straight across, cut the cuff off. Sorry, I need to buy new scissors, I know, they're kind of dull. And then you're going to do the same on the other end, just cut the toe part off. Okay, then after you have both ends cut off your sock, you're going to take your sock and fold it in half. Then you're going to measure from the end about a finger's width, and then you're going to cut about an inch. Do not go to the very end, only about an inch or so. Do the same to the other end. Move over about a finger's width and then cut about an inch. I am cutting on the folded side. So now when you open up your face mask, you have a spot for each ear. So that's it for the first one. Now this is a longer sock, so it makes a little bit bigger and longer mask. So you can use a men's sock if you want. So I'm just taking the cuff off and also the toe off. Same steps as the first face mask. So once you have each end removed, just take your sock, fold it in half, go to the folded side, measure over 1 finger's width, and then cut up about an inch. Do not go to the very end. Same on the other end, measure over 1 finger's width, then cut about an inch, and that's it. Now you have a nice size face mask. For the last sock face mask, it takes a few more steps. So take your cuff and fold it about halfway point and measure it. And then you're going to cut straight across. Now this is the No Boundaries sock from Walmart. So I'm just cutting straight across about the halfway point or a little more. So I've removed the toe. Now I'm going to cut all the way across where that the sock would go across the top of your foot. So just cut all the way across. You do not have to use new socks to make these face masks. I'm just showing you the brands that I used and the steps that I took. So now you can straighten out your sock, and now it makes a square. Now fold it back up just like it was before you cut the top out. Now you're going to take the cuff and you're going to fold in half toward the opposite end where you remove the toe. Make sure you have your edges lined up. Then go to the opposite end where the heel is on the folded side, measure over 1 finger's width, and then you're going to cut up about an inch. Do not go to the very end. And that's it, guys, you're finished. Now you just take the little ear holes and wrap the left one over the left ear and the right one over the right ear. Now you have 3 soft and comfortable face masks. If you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and share. Stay safe.